Hey, Christmas has come early. We have Paletteful Packs, the monthly art subscription box, if you choose, where you don't know what's inside until you get it in the mail and you open it. So let's open it. In we go. Very Christmassy themed. I reuse these boxes. I actually save them throughout the year on a shelf in my room and use these for wrapping all the presents. Markers. Sketch marker graphics. Oh my goodness. Copics too? Copics? Really? A bunch of them. Holy moly. Well, right there pays for this box by about double. I actually don't know. How much are these? These are the sketch ones. We'll find out later. But 6 of them? Wow. Hey, another Winsor & Newton, a gray 01. So I've been using the 05 or whatever size that one was that they sent in last month's box. I've been using it so much that I lost it. I think it's over on the Christmas table because I so enjoy writing with it. That I just kind of been using it for everything, like all the gift tags and lists, whatever. This one is very, very fine though. It's harder for me to use. I did use the blue one we got in that one box for signing my name on the Christmas cards that I showed you in that video. And a graphics marker pad. Nice. 75 sheets? What? This must be really thin, like some marker paper is. I can't wait to get into it and try it. I think there's a sticker, yes. Aw, the kitty again. We actually got the same kitty for Christmas last year, and I have it actually stuck to the little bin that holds my watercolor brushes. Hang on, and I will show you. Ta-da! I got a really bright window in the background, so it's not happy. But the one on the left there, obviously, is the kitty. That was Doomsayer Designs. That's Paletteful. Wow, well, opening the box so far really is like Christmas. That is a lot of markers. Copics, no less. Yeah, $8 each, and we have 6 of them. So if that's the actual price, that's $48. Wow. And I paid, I don't know, when I pay the whole year, what does this end up being? $29, $30, $32 a box, something like that. The prompts this month, you can see our science fiction favorite snack, celebrate, and ornament. I wonder, what would you draw with those prompts? Let's see what I come up with, but first, let's swatch what we have. When they said marker pad, they weren't kidding. So it's not just loose leaf bundled together, it is glued on the top side right there. So it's supposedly, as marker paper is, bleed proof. So let's give this a try. What is this color? Cool gray light. Let's see how it shows up. We're not gonna look at the back side until we're done, so the suspense will be immense. Hey, that rhymed. Poet didn't know it. That is very black, but it's warm gray deep. This one is primary magenta. Ooh, oh, that's so pretty. It's giving me science fiction vibes already. This is light blue, a little scratchier than the graphics, the Marabou ones. Forest green. Black, I'm pretty sure. Black one's juicy. I actually want to see. Oh, we get a chisel and a brush tip on these? I thought it was going to be a chisel and a bullet nib because I thought their sketch ones were a little bit cheaper, but what do I know? They have small barrels, so they probably just don't have a lot of ink in them or something. I don't keep up in the Copic world. I like them, and I have a few that my grandma got me for my birthday or Christmas a lot of years ago. In fact, I have one sitting over there that's out of ink. Chrome orange. This one's out of ink. Cool gray #1 because I used it a lot in Inktober. Burnt sienna. One of my favorite paint colors to have. Well, those are all beautiful. Flip it over. I think it shows through the back. It just doesn't bleed through the back. Yeah. And there is not a touch of color on this next page. How fun is that? All right, I got to think about the prompts for a while and figure out what the heck I'm going to do with those 4 prompts. If I can even incorporate all 4 in one drawing, I'd love to do that. But sometimes it's a challenge. Got me a little sketch here. I don't know if you can see it, but spent a little time sketching that out, and then I looked through my markers. Sadly, I have all 3 of these already. What a bummer. However, out of the Copics, we got 6, remember? Of course you remember, that was only a few seconds ago for you. A couple days for me. I only have these 2, and my black gets used a lot, so that one's probably almost gone anyway, so no big deal on those. So 4 new colors for me. This puts my Copic collection at, I think, 30 different colors. So that's pretty darn exciting for me. A couple of them are these square ones here that we got in yet another subscription box. What are these? Smoky blue and frost blue. And oh, I do have frost blue already. So 29 unique colors, but that's very exciting. So let's marker this piece, and yeah, markers scare me, but oh well, that's okay. It's so thin, it's so weird. We'll just go for it. All done! We have science fiction because this is an alien on a spaceship. Favorite snack. My favorite snack are fresh raspberries, so I made the favorite snack the ornament on the tree because ornament was one of the words. And he is celebrating Christmas. So yes, he is studying Earth, he learned about Christmas, thought it looked like fun, and is going to celebrate it now. That was really fun. As usual, when I use markers, it is terrifying and fun. All at the same time. Now I have more markers, which we already talked about. Yep. What would you guys have done for those prompts? I know I asked you once in the beginning of the video. I'm asking again. I think this could use some more shadows. I don't know. I don't know about going over it again and again with the same color. It does kind of make a shadow. You can kind of see that the way I kind of variegated the wall, but I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. It's cute. I like it. It finishes up Paletteful packs for the month. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. I did use the blue one we got in the box for signing my name on some of the Christmas. Wow, well, opening this box so far really is like Christmas. Wow, well, oh geez. Copics, no doubt. The prompts this month are science fiction, favorite snack, celebrate, and ornament. So it's going to be sun. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought it would as. I can't talk today. And I need to focus. My son just came in and interrupted, and so now I've lost my focus.